apart from trading, you can also earn by two ways in this application. Okay, if you get a sufficient amount by trading, please stop trading, because if you are greedy, you may lose lots of money. Got it? Please stop trading if you get your target amount. It can be uh, 20% or 30% on the principal amount. If you deposit 1000 rupees, if you get 1300, 1400, at least 1500, you can stop trading and start inviting your friends. If you invite your friends, you can earn lots of more money even without trading. Got it? I am tell you how to do that. Click on the my, go to my task, and if you want to invite one friend today, you need to click on 100 rupees. After that, if you want to invite another person, you need to click on 100. Okay, if you want to invite 10 members, you can also click directly on the 1000 rupees. Got it? Per referral there is 100 rupees amount. After clicking on the uh, get, it will be looks like successful. Got it? You need to complete this task. After completion, another task will be opened. Until there is no task will be opened, you need to complete first this 10 members, because I have click on the 1000 rupees, so you need to refer 10 members. Okay, then after clicking on the get, it will be shows like right mark, and go to task. See this, I have completed 5 members. You can see the uh, task details. Out of 10, I have completed 10 members. If you want invitation link of your own, click on the go to finish and copy it. Copy success done. You can paste it on anywhere. And if you need to know more about the referrals, just click on that pending task. It here you will see list of successful referrals. Got it? How to do this? I mean, if you if you copy the link, okay, then you need to send it to your friends. Click on the link and open and create account. Then after, he need to recharge minimum 100 rupees, and then he need to place a order worth of minimum 10 rupees. It win or loss, but he need to bid a minimum of 10 rupees on any picky or bacon or separate. Got it? After recharging, you need to click like this, join green or 10 rupees, and click on the confirm. If there is sufficient balance is there, the order will get placed, and your referral will be successfully recorded like this. Got it? See, your referral will be successfully recorded like this. If you want to see your uh, referrals, click on the my task and open my task. Then it will be shows like this. Got it? And another one is, you will earn commission when they place order. So click on my promotion. See how many number of people I have referred using this account. This is 97 rupees, and level 2 is 77 people. I have self referred 97 people, and those 97 people have referred 77 members. Got it? This is my bonus. These 97 peoples and these 77 peoples are trading, uh, placing orders on powderclubs.com. For their trading, I'll get commission. For the level 1 members, if you directly refer someone, you get 0.6 commission. This means if a user place order worth of 100 rupees, you get 60 paisa. If he place 1000 rupees, you get 6 rupees. Got it? This is the process how I get. If you are level 2 means, you invited friend, and your friend invited someone. This is level 2. If a level 2 person place a order, you get 0.4% of commission. Got it? 0.4% means, if we trade 100 rupees, you get 40 paisa commission. If you trade 1000 rupees, you get 4 rupees. This is today morning commission I have got. 600 rupees is, you can click on the apply balance to convert it to the main balance. And I will tell you how to withdraw money in the next section. I This is the, apart from trading, this is the best promotion because you get 100 per referral and you get also commission for the trading. This is the best way because I am using this. Because of that I am using it. You can also use it. There is a large potential in referrals. Okay, if your referrals trading like massive, you will get massive earnings, massive earnings. Don't need to do anything. Got it? You don't need to. I just got 600 within the this time, I mean within the 2 to 3 hours from night to till. I will get more than 5,000 commission per day by the referrals in the different accounts. Got it? This is a demo account. For this demo account I will get more money. I am getting more money in this demo account, but actual accounts is also there. My trading accounts are actual. This is only demo account. Thank you for watching this video. Try to invite more people and try to bet genuinely. Don't excite while betting.